My video was cut, but we're going to continue on finding the log mean temperature difference for both cases. The first case would be, and we're going to substitute this. Equals to 135K, and the other, which is the outlets, we have the 370 minus 310 is equal to 60K. Kelvin, I mean. For getting the log mean temperature, we have to first take the 81 minus the 82, which is the 135 Kelvin minus the 60 Kelvin over ln of 135 ln. And the final answer would be, I mean, we have to divide this. We have a 92.486984 Kelvin. Next is we need to get the new log mean temperature, which we have to use the Q2 on getting the new log mean temperature. So Q2 is I mean is this is 1.4 equals, this is constant, so this is going to be 0. So I mean out, then you have to minus it with 285, which is the inlet, then divide it by 310, which is the outlet of water, then minus it with 285, the inlet of water. Using shift solve, wow, we have the answer of 320 Kelvin, which is the new log mean temperature. Next is to calculate the new log mean temperature by using the new of oil. In getting it, we have to use the same formula as this one. So the first would be the 420 minus 285 Kelvin is equal to the same as this one, 135 K. Then the next one is 350 minus 320 Kelvin, 30 Kelvin. Next is to solve this one by using or the same as this one. So 135 minus 30 divided by 30 is equal to 69.81 Kelvin. Then to Q and log mean temperature. So heat transfer formula is Q is equal to U times A times the summation of log mean temperature, where A, or I mean area, is equal to diameter times its length. And rearranging it with the used or the no the given that we have. So L2 is equal to L1 times the Q2 over Q1 times the log mean temperature and the log mean temperature 2, which is the new one. Then substituting equal to 1 minus m times, we have the 1.4 times the 92.484 K divided by the 69.8102373 K. And to get the answer, four eight six three seven. Final answer would be 185.47554646 meters. In total, 1 point in 4 decimal places, 1.8548 meters. And that is the new length